What is up, you guys? Spend a few days with me. I am not gonna commit sa isang linggong like weekly vlog. So I think I'm just gonna do like parang spend a few days with me lang instead of weekly. Cause I feel like this week is gonna be eventful. Eventful. But yeah, there are a lot of stuff that is going to happen this week. Not too much, but I am planning on going to the beach this week. Tapos, I am planning to get my nails done. So, what better way to start the vlog than today? Is my grammar correct? I don't even know, girl. Okay, today is Tuesday. It's September 23 and I think na my face and my skin is doing a lot better in comparison to yesterday kasi medyo okay na yung sleep ko but not really fully recovered from how many days passed where my sleep has been super bad, which is why my skin is bad. So get your sleep, y'all, because sleep is super 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 important. Okay, today is gonna be boring. Wala naman masyadong gagawin today. I intentionally freed my schedule because I am going to edit pa the first vid that I made. So yeah, this is me currently editing. And girl, please tell me na it's already 30 minutes. My first vlog is 30 minutes. Oh my god. The first vlog is so long. I don't know if may mga tao pa bang makakapag-finish ng video. Nagiging paranoid na naman ako, be. Like, I am currently thinking of what other people has to say sa aking video, which is dapat yung intention talaga is kung ano yung nasa isip ko or like kung ano yung iniisip ko or kung ano yung thoughts ko, my own judgment sa video, not based on what others are thinking. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna edit. I just finished editing the first vlog, y'all, and I cannot believe how nice it is. Actually, nagustuhan ko talaga siya. Everything was perfect the way I envisioned it to be, especially towards the end. I really liked it. I never thought that I have this much editing skills. Nag-edit talaga ako before when I was in high school for our school projects, but I never thought na after so many years, I still have it, girl. But yeah, I really loved how it turned out, and by the time na this video is posted, of course, that first vlog is posted na din. So I really hope na you guys loved it. If you have feedbacks for me, if may mga masabi kayo, please keep it constructive, okay? My heart is so small, my heart is so sensitive for hate comments. Yeah, please be nice, okay? It's my first vlog ever and I am proud of it. No matter what, at the end of the day, I love what I put out. Like, nagustuhan ko yung output na ginawa ko, and I think that's important. And I also wanna shout out my sister. Thank you so much, Ate Charmaine. Dili ko sentimental sa ako maigsoon, guys. Bisaya lagi ko. But yeah, thank you so much, Ate Charmaine, for this. Guys, pasalamatan natin ang aking eldest sister. Say thank you, Ate Charmaine, for providing me this camera. Without her, guys, wala tayong vlog. Wala tayong vlog, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna skip today and I'm gonna film tomorrow for my nail appointment because I'm finally getting my claws retouched. And I am so happy that my parents came home from where they are. But yeah, they came back home and I finally got the money to, get my nails done. Guys, most of my luho is funded by my father, my mother, my sister, my brother, everyone in the family. I am the most kikay one here, and yeah, I'm so happy that they are so supportive of me. Yeah, they've been a huge part of my life, good. Yeah, thank you so much for the support, family. I love you so much. This is my love letter to you guys. And tama na, ayoko na maging sentimental. What is up, you guys? It's already Wednesday. It's September 24 and kakaligo ko lang because I am getting ready for my nail appointment, which is this 1 p.m. and it's it's already 11:56. It's okay. Malapit lang naman yung yung nail tech ko. So, yeah, today I am going to do my skincare. Hindi pa ako nakapag-skincare na to, but girl, I am so happy that my skin is doing so well. I kinda know na ganito talaga yung mangyayari sa skin ko. There are times na parang seasonal siya. There are days, may mga araw talaga na ang pangit-pangit ng skin ko, pero meron ding mga araw na ang ganda-ganda ng skin ko. And I also put some lashes, by the way, because kailangan ko na talaga magtrabaho and I cannot work if halata talaga to. So, nilagyan ko ng lashes para hindi siya masyadong halata. Like, from afar. And also, it's going down na din naman. Parang nagsubside na din yung inflammation. So, I am so happy for that. This day is going well. And so far, ang humid ngayon. Medyo mainit siya. And this shirt, this is a Hanley shirt from Carter. This shirt is not breathable at all, and ewan ko kung ba't ko sinuot to. Hindi ko pa kasi nasusuot kasi wala naman akong gala dito sa amin. But yeah, today yung gagawin lang natin is I'm gonna show you my AM skincare, which is pretty much the same. Tapos mag-unbox tayo ng PR kasi ang dami ko ng packages and ipapakita ko din sa inyo yung mga PR na na-unbox ko na. And also, yeah, nails. And maybe if okay pa yung light, kasi I really rely on natural light. Baka later if okay pa, makapag-work tayo, cause delay na talaga ako and I don't wanna be delayed sa mga work ko kasi it's super unprofessional. So yeah, I am going to show you my AM skincare right now. And by the way, today is wash day kasi oily na talaga masyado yung buhok ko, which is why makikita nyo parang super flimsy, super floppy niya tignan. Like, it's not gonna hold well, but ang daming naghihingi sa inyo ng hair tutorial. Honestly, ganito na talaga yung bagsak ng hair ko. You will always see my hair like doing this, parang may S shape siya. Kasi yan na yung nakasanayan ng hair ko. So, I don't know kung anong klaseng tutorial ba yung gusto nyo, but ganito na talaga yung bagsak ng hair ko. Thank you, universe. So yeah, let's do our AM skincare. And that is my AM skincare done. This is how my skin looks like after my skincare. And as always, parati talaga binibigyan ng sunscreen ng shine yung mukha ko, which is I don't mind. Gusto ko talaga personally yung dewy na look because I think it looks healthy. And yeah, ngayon I am just gonna put on some pants and wala akong gagawin sa mukha ko. I'm not gonna put makeup on kasi dun lang naman ako sa studio ng aking nail tech and slippers, I don't know, sa bahay lang, belt, Shopee, and yeah, I look so chic, I love it, see? Okay, let's go sa ating nail appointment. Today is not the day na makatcall ako, okay? Our city is not really that open sa mga kagaya ko, so like, I don't want to be catcalled, I don't want to get stared at, so I'm just gonna lie low. I'm gonna put on some glasses later. And yeah, ganyan lang. Chill lang to na araw na to. And baka kasi later, I'm going to work. So, I'm gonna put makeup na naman later. So yeah, let's see. Okay y'all, I just ate lunch and we are ready to go to our nail appointment. This is my whole fit, glasses from TikTok shop, shirt from Carter, pants thrifted. Mag-hi sa Aloy para you know mura ka. Yaw siya. Ano? Gagi ka. Morning. Nails done. Thank you, Lloyd.
Thank you so much.
They look so cool. Oh my god.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye. What is up, you guys? Nakauwi na po ako ng bahay and I love how my nails turned out. Oh my gosh, look. I love this set. My old set was very natural lang, but for the new set, I wanted it to be white and parang claw, parang Catwoman, like if you know Zoe Kravitz in her Catwoman scenes sa Batman movie, she's my inspo and this is how it turned out. I really love my nail tech. He always gets me. Kuwang-kuha niya talaga yung inspo. Shout out to You Nailed It, Matty, because you did a great job. Thank you, Lloyd. Thank you, Lloyd, for this one. I super love this. And lumulubog na yung araw and hindi pa ako nakakapag unboxing. So, let's do it. I really like my hair today. Wash day ko kasi today, which is why my hair is so voluminous and very floppy. Yeah, see? Ang kapal ng hair ko. Hey! Ganda. And yeah, let's do an unboxing. Okay, kanina pa ako naghahanap ng spot para makapag-unbox tayo ng mga PR package, but ito na lang yung magandang spot na may magandang lighting. Yeah, wala tayong choice but here na lang. So ito pa yung mga PR na natanggap ko as of the moment. Some of them are for work, but some of them are gift from brands. So ito, na-unbox ko na to sila. I already posted it on Instagram and meron iba dito na unreleased pa, but by the time na lalabas itong vid na to, release na sila. So, let's do first yung mga na-unbox ko na. So, this is easy. Nadala nila sa akin to. Ang laman dito is yung mga fat, yung mga fat gloss nila. Like, girl, I have all the shades of their fat gloss. So, I am gonna make a video out of this soon. But yeah, thank you so much, Easy Cosmetics. Thank you so much, Easy Cosmetics, for this one. I am super excited to try this one kasi, you know, I am always a gloss girl. Ang bihira lang talaga ako mag-matte, and if may maririnig kayong maingay, may mga visitors yung dad ko, kaya maingay yung aso. So, I am so sorry for that. I hope the audio is clear. But yeah, next, we have here ABCD na may lamang iba't ibang products. So, this one, I got this from JMCY. They sent this to me. I already used this one kasi ang ganda ng shade nito. This is shade NR08. Yeah, thank you so much JMCY. Magagamit ko talaga to. This one is ABCD. This is for work. So, I'm gonna film a video pa with this. But this is their Cashmere Kiss lip liner and Cashmere Kiss lipstick. I got it in the shade Macaron and Fawn. I really love the shade Fawn. So, thank you so much, ABCD. Now, we're gonna unbox these kasi kagabi lang sila dumating and ngayon ko pa sila ma-unbox. And bilisan na natin ng konti kasi palubog na yung light. I feel like this is from ABCD. I feel like ito yung bagong release nila na skin tint. I'm gonna be careful, baka mapunit ko yung PR sa loob. Okay, this is a perfect opportunity to try out my new set of nails. Thank you so much, You Nailed It, Matty. You nailed it, girl. Yeah, so let's try if sturdy ba talaga. Joke. I'm not gonna risk my money on this. Wait. Ang daming bubble wrap, you guys. This is so Ang daming bubble wrap. Wait, nahihirapan ako. Okay, here it is, girl. This is ABCD. I got 2 shades of their new skin tint. This is for work. I'm gonna film this for work, but I got 3W and 2.5W. They are warm shades. I don't know, walang mga neutral shades yung ABCD, yung parang mga, meron silang neutral shades but it doesn't cater to tan skin tone like me. So yeah, yung mga tan shades nila, leaning warm talaga. So ito lang yung options na meron ako. And they also released sponges, so I am super excited. I am definitely in my sponge era. Usually before I blend out, ang ingay. Usually before I blend out my foundation and base products. Okay, usually before I try to blend my base products with. Okay, tiisin na lang talaga natin yung tahol ng aso, but as I was saying, before I always blend out my base products using a brush, but now I am in my sponge era, so thank you so much ABCD for this. I am definitely gonna use this often. Yeah. And finally, may skin tint na ako. So let's put it in the pouch or in the paper bag. I'm so sorry. But this one, the last one, I am super excited but also scared because this one is from Colorette. This is their blur base. And napanood ko yung vid ni Jelly Eugenio about this na naka-receive siya ng very destroyed PR package. So sana naman hindi mangyari sa akin yun. So let's open it up. It says fragile. And I am hearing some clicks inside. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was so stressful. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Bihira lang talaga ako makatanggap ng PR package from Colorette. So thank you so much Colorette for this one. Oh my god. The moment of truth. Sana naman hindi destroyed yung PR na to, no? Paano ba to i-open? Wait lang. How do I open this? Okay. Girl. Here's Ledge. Hello, Ledge. Yeah, I got 3 shades of blur base. So far, okay naman siya. Hindi naman siya destroyed. Like yung kay Jelly na parang very ano talaga, destroyed talaga. So ewan ko, kinakabahan ako, be. Okay, she's good, she's definitely okay. How about yung ibang shades? Okay, they are in good condition. Nilagyan nila ng double-sided tape yung likod para hindi talaga sila gagalaw. So it ruined the aesthetic of the but hopefully matanggal ko lang siya. Everything is perfect. I actually love it. Thank you so much Colorette for this one. So that was our unboxing, PR unboxing. Meron pa akong ini-expect na mga PR na hindi pa dumating. So sad. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I have super base. Oh my gosh. I've heard na this is the best setting spray sa local market as of now. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much Colorette. Thank you so much. I am so excited. I am so excited for this, you guys. Yeah, but yeah, that brings us to the end of today's PR unboxing and end of the vlog for September 24, which is Wednesday. So I will see you tomorrow kasi tomorrow I think we're gonna go to the beach. We're going to the beach tomorrow and I am super excited kasi matagal-tagal na din na hindi ako nakapunta ng dagat and I am turning pale, so I need my tan ulit. So I'm gonna edit this one para, productive tayo. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. What is up, you guys? It's the next day. Kakagising ko lang a while ago and I already washed my face with just water in the morning. Tapos I just applied sunscreen and lip balm. Yes, bare face lang to, guys. Like, hello, bare face lang to. Huwag kayong malito, ha. Like, but yeah, I'm gonna go and pick up my cousin kasi sasabay kami pupunta ng dagat. Yes. And this is such a great morning kasi we're gonna bond with my cousin and just talk about life and gay stuff because he's gay and I am gay. So yeah, and I'm gonna work while I am at the beach, so I'm gonna film a brand like content. Tapos mamayang hapon I'm gonna film a bunch of videos, girl, because this is not professional. Like, I am super late already. I am behind sa mga deadlines and ang dami nila, be. So yeah, I will see you later if nasundo ko na siya and nakarating na kami sa beach.
OA naman sa Sundo, tricycle lang naman yung sasakyan namin. Kasi wala kaming car, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. Cause ganito lang yung life dito sa amin. Just tricycle, like, it's giving island girl vibes. So, yeah, I will see you later.
Okay, I finally got my cousin. We're going to the beach now.
Hi, good morning.
Di ba atake kayo? Porma siya guys, tapos ako like bareface lang talaga. See?
No, bare face to.
Atake. Yeah, but right now we're gonna commute. Going to the beach. I feel like it's 15-20 minutes lang siguro, di ba?
Depends on the driver.
Yeah. Pero girl, ang mahal-mahal ng pamasahe dito, be, parang
We're gonna ride bao-bao.
ang OA.
Bao-bao in Mati hits diff.
Umagang-umaga guys, na-catcall na naman kami, di ba? Parang ka namang Mati City. Sige, mention dyan.
Okay, we got a ride. Yes. Off to Amihan.
Yes.
Hey, welcome to Amihan.
We are finally here. We are finally here. Oh my gosh, the water is so nice, you guys. Like, this is my go-to beach whenever I am home. See, I am so happy na and I am so proud that I can call this my home. Diba? Because we can have this. We can have all this. It's giving Brazil. It's giving Rio de
And
Janeiro.
it's free.
Yes.
No entrance at all.
We are gonna set up and, you know, find our spot. Yeah. My cousin is preparing. He's wearing bikinis. So yeah, I'm gonna tan today. Hopefully may difference sa kung ano yung skin ko ngayon and sa skin ko mamaya. Oh my gosh, baka ma-demonetize tayo niyan. Baka ma-demonetize tayo niyan, be. But anyways, I'm gonna enjoy the beach. Maybe show you guys some few clips of us, like, you know, nakikita talaga siya. Go. Go, Kylie, go!
Oh my God, Twinnie, natanggal ang aking bracelet. Oh my God, what the fuck?
What's that nga bracelet? Totoo?
Oh my God, ang apoy. Ano, tangina, puro yung bracelet.
What is up, you guys? Kakatapos lang namin ng ligo and a very unfortunate event happened, you know? Nawala po ang kanyang 14K worth na bracelet. Real gold. Kaya naman, nagpapaka Little Red Riding Hood siya dito.
Please help me find my bracelet, guys.
So, alam namin na this vlog is gonna be worth it kasi, you know, may nawala. So, yung magigain namin dito is subscribers.
Wait lang, i-react sana ako nahitabo, Twinnie, di ko.
Okay, sige, go. Okay, so unfortunately, hindi na talaga namin nakita yung bracelet. So, girl, we are just gonna accept the fact na it's being offered to the sea and hindi na talaga yun makikita. So, kakain na lang talaga kami after this and, you know, fill our stomachs with good food para, you know, hindi namin mamalayan na meron palang ganitong nangyari. So, how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling static.
Whatever happens, happens.
Yes, happens for a reason.
Yes!
Sige, John!
Okay, at this point, you guys, we are going to the place kung saan kami kakain, and walking distance na siya from here.
Like
And
5-minute walk.
yes, we are slaying like a true locals, no? Like very
Island girls.
very topless lang talaga kami dito, and wearing our flip-flops. So,
It feels like nothing happened, right? Ganun kami ka-positive, di ba?
okay y'all, nandito na kami sa place kung saan kami kakain ng lunch. So, while waiting for the food, I'm gonna make some branded contents para maging productive din naman tayo. So, girl, he's here. He's still taking in the fact na nawala talaga yung bracelet.
I've already moved on.
Move on na daw siya.
I've already moved on.
Move
Ganun
on
na
na.
kabilis.
But yeah, this is always the place na pinupuntahan ko every time naliligo ako ng dagat, kasi aside from its affordability, the food is also great. What is up, you guys? We just finished eating, and obviously the food is so good. Hindi ko siya naubos kasi ang dami ng servings dito, be, like super busog na busog talaga. So tapos kaming dalawa yung kumakain na petite and super small figure, so hindi talaga namin kaya yung maraming pagkain. Nagutom lang siguro kami kanina, nadala lang sa emosyon dahil sa pagkawala ng bracelet.
Please, stop reminding me. I've moved on.
Anyways, I'm gonna go home and film some branded contents again. And yeah. What is up, you guys? I just got back home and nakabanlaw na ako and naka-skincare na. And today I am going to film a bunch of contents. And now I need to be quick with this, which is why I don't have time for my hair to dry, which is why I am here sa room ng sister ko, because I'm gonna use her blow dryer to dry and style my hair quickly for my content. So let me show you. Okay, my hair is done and styled. This is my signature hairstyle as of the moment. I really love the curls, the fluffiness of it. And now I am going to film a bunch of content for work, and I think this is the perfect time to end this vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for spending 3 days with me. Pwede pa sana talaga ako mag-vlog bukas or the next few days, but unfortunately wala akong editor. This is a one-man show. Ako lahat nag-edit, ako lahat nag-produce, and I don't think kakayanin ng skills ko and ng time ko i-edit yung mga susunod na araw. So as of the moment, ito muna, and I hope mapatawad nyo ako. And yeah, once again, thank you so much, you guys, and I'll see you sa next vlog, which is probably like makeup content na. So, see you soon. Bye!